Hybridizing
Yes.
this is like going on Haunted Mansion or Rock and Roller Coaster.
Yeah, he said he was going to Disneyland.
Crossing this
With
like
Mr. Paul Black?
Yep.
What a moment.
Yeah, man.
Thank you for making me feel good.
Yeah. Hi and welcome back to our show. I'm Dylan Just.
And I'm Mike Just.
And we are
Just Irises!
Today on Just Irises, I'm going to pick an iris to cross. And Mr. Paul here, Paul Black, is going to pick an iris to cross. So me and him are going to cross our own iris together. And that's going to be really cool. So we're just looking around this garden to see which two we're going to cross together to make a really nice iris.
Yeah, that's awesome. And Mr. Paul is going to obviously provide his expertise on what his thoughts are regarding it, right?
Yeah, definitely, yeah.
That's it.
You're going to do this, aren't you?
Yeah.
I know you are.
All right, I chose this one.
I know you are.
It's your turn to choose one. I'm locked in on this one. So.
He's looking at Megastar.
Let's see what one of the best hybridizers can do.
There, I'll let you make the cross.
Ah.
Oh, thank you.
All right. Let's do it.
All right.
Megastar with peach berry jumble.
See, it has placata in the background, and
Wow.
the traditional broken colors, when they're paired with placatas, will a lot of times give some
Oh, you
broken
hear that?
colors.
Yeah.
So
It can help accentuate.
It's smooth too on the falls, this one.
Mhm.
It's really smooth.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Very, very silky. But look at the
Very.
ruffles.
Okay,
You can see it.
and then do the next one.
Some fragrance on this, too.
Okay,
All right.
and then let's do a couple of them.
All right.
You want to take another anther out of this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Let that one.
Perfect. Make sure that
The big stigmatic lip.
Yep. Okay.
When you look at them, what are you looking for when you're looking?
That they're still, that they aren't looking watery.
Oh, okay.
Here we get the last anther.
Okay.
This one. Okay, that's the last anther.
Yeah, if they're beginning to look watery, then it's.
I say.
This one's awesome. This is a great pick.
I love.
Great pick, Paul.
Megastar.
Megastar, yeah.
What a name, too.
Great pick.
Wow.
There we go.
Okay. And then there. Yeah, it's like you're there. It doesn't take much
Might
more
as well
to-
do it all.
Yeah. Okay.
That is the awesome iris.
Look at that.
Can you guys watching this imagine? Look at that.
Oh,
Color
lost
combo
my-
right there. That's
my
awesome.
pin.
Right there.
Yeah.
Yep, that's good. Yeah, it's fine.
Wow.
And there you are.
Here we are.
Thank you.
Yeah. Team. A solid team.
All right.
So burst of inspiration.
Inspiration crossed with Tyrannosaurus Rex.
I know.
I love that.
These roses.
This one's different. Soap.
Right?
Yeah, it smells like soap.
Fresh soap. And this one has a beautiful fragrance to it too. This is the strong vanilla
Daddy, can you smell this one?
Tyrannosaurus Rex. Okay. Wow. Beautiful.
Look at the standards on the inside.
Oh, cool. Yeah.
Look at the standards.
Oh, okay.
It's got the purple there.
Nice
Yeah.
purple in there.
All right.
But it's just.
Can't even tell where the stigmatic lip is. So much
I know.
ruffles on there. So I'm like, where is it? All right, I'll get the. Wow, there's a lot of pollen on
okay.
this one. Look at this. Look at all the pollen on that.
Oh, that's why I'm having trouble breathing. There you go.
Right?
And then. And you can use the same anther on all of them, or.
Is that good enough?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. And on the back it says Dylan.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Thank you. That's
Thank you
amazing.
so
Well, and I know because it's in grease pencils, and I never use grease pencils. So
Oh, okay. Okay.
it'll definitely be Dylan's.
Wow.
Thank you.
See, and if you get it in the middle, then as that begins to swell,
Yes.
Oh,
it
yeah.
strangulates.
It'll
it,
strangulate.
and it'll actually form
Right.
both sides of it.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
I'll
the
let you.
seed has a
Thank
better
you.
chance to
Let you
take
do the whole.
the whole thing.
Whole thing. Can't believe I'm pollinating an iris with Paul Black. Crossing this.
With
like,
Mr. Paul
with-
Black?
Yep.
What a moment.
Yeah, man.
This is special.
Yeah.
Thank you for making me feel good.
Oh yeah. You're welcome.
No.
Great job on this iris too. Like this one's insane. Love this iris.
I like this a lot.
Yes.
And it's really hard to describe these in the catalog where
Oh.
they don't sound like, oh well, it's grade olive with.
Yeah, right.
Oh, that sounds really pretty.
Right.
Okay. Ta-da.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah. All right.
Doug.